Hi, this is Handy TF. In this video, we are fixing hot water supply problem in an electric hot water heater. Several things can cause a home's hot water supply to run out faster than it should. The three most common culprits are sediment buildup, a faulty heating element and a broken dip tube. Electric water heater has two heating elements. There's an upper element and a lower element. My guess is that the lower element is bad, so that only water in the top half of tank is heated. Hence the hot water supply runs out faster than it should. Since this water heater is 7 years old, the heating element is cheap, and it is pretty easy to replace, so I decide to replace the lower heating element anyway. When selecting new heating elements, it's recommended to purchase ones with the same voltage, wattage, and style, screw in or bolt in, as the element you are replacing. You can locate these information on a label shown here. The voltage of the new element should always match the old element. However, you could use lower wattage to extend the life of the element. But lower wattage will heat water less quickly. Never purchase wattage higher than your previous element. You can replace with high or low density as long as watts and volts are same. The low density one provides the same amount of heat but spread out over a larger surface area, which lowers the surface temperature, making them less prone to mineral buildup. Also, low density element resists burnout and tends to last longer. Before we start, turn off the power, water, and all the faucets in the house. Because we are going to replace the lower heating element without draining the tank. We will need an element wrench. It's designed specifically to remove electric water heater elements, and has a wide mouth that fits over the exposed part of the element. Open temperature pressure relief valve to release the pressure, and then close it. Open the drain valve to let some water out, and then close it, so that we will have less water coming out when removing the old element. Remove the cover of the lower access panel, and get the insulation out of way with tape. Gently remove the plastic cover. Check the wires with a voltmeter to ensure that there is no power. Loosen the screws and disconnect the two element wires from the heating element. Put a towel to prepare to catch water. And get the new element ready, and attach the new O-ring onto the new element. Use a heating element wrench to remove the element. There will be a rubber gasket or O-ring that seals the tank. Be sure you remove the O-ring with the element. Take out the old element, and quickly put in the new one. Tighten it with the element wrench. Hi, please hit the like and the subscribe buttons below. This will encourage me to make more free videos to help more people. Use a dry towel to wipe off any water around the element. Attach the two wires to the element and secure them in place by tightening the screws. Double check that the wires are secure and will not slip. Replace the plastic cover, insulation and access panel cover. Finally, turn back on water and power. That is all, and now we have plenty hot water. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for your time, Handy TF.